Footprinting countermeasures are the measures or actions taken to counter or offset information disclosure. We're going to talk about a few of them. You should look at configuring routers to restrict responses to footprinting requests. So, you have to have a mechanism to identify footprinting requests.
Right. Use firewalls to block the ports to prevent unauthorized scans of the ports. And more importantly, publish what exactly you want to publish and nothing more. Don't publish anything that could be inadvertently used by the attackers. Keep only the services that are required and disable the unnecessary services. Prevent search engines from caching a web page and use anonymous registration services.
Also, configure web servers to avoid information leakage and disable unwanted protocols. Use an IDS that can be configured to refuse suspicious traffic and pick up footprinting patterns. Carry out a footprinting exercise and remove any sensitive information that you found.
Absolutely.
Ideally, you should be doing the exercise of finding out vulnerabilities periodically and work towards fixing them.
Excellent point. And make sure you create security policies to regulate information that employees can reveal to third parties and then enforce them. A simple thing, but you have to enforce them. Keep the internal DNS and external DNS separate. Disable directory listings and use split DNS. This is one way to avoid easier footprinting. Another thing, educate your employees about various social engineering tricks and risks.
And restrict unexpected input by having proper validations. Avoid domain-level cross-linking for critical assets. Encrypt and password protect sensitive information. Do not enable protocols that are not required. Always use TCP, IP, and IPsec filters. Configure IIS against banner grabbing.
Now, we can go on listing the countermeasures. It is important that you have a strategy in place to test your environment periodically and ensure the vulnerabilities identified are addressed based on business and security priorities.
Definitely.